Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, I would like to show you Bitcoin wave analysis on monthly time frame chart. And here on this monthly time frame chart, you can see that Bitcoin is moving in a very nice up channel. We got rejections here, and we have few touch points here. Then we had a nice bounce, then stable touch points here. Then we had another very massive bounce. This was another bounce, almost another bounce. And this was another bounce. And now after this bounce, the price is still moving very close to this support of the channel. And now let's take a look at the wave analysis, the Elliot wave analysis on this monthly time frame chart. Then here we have this impulsive wave 1, and this is the corrective wave 2 that is not retraced more than 100% of wave 1. And then we have this longest wave 3 here, another impulsive wave. Then we have the corrective wave 4, and this is another impulsive wave 5, and still you can see that wave 5 is still higher than the wave 3, but it is not as that much higher that it should be, because the reason is that wave 3 has rallied more than expected, because usually it rallies up to 1.618 of wave 1. If I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high to this low of wave 1, then you can see that this is the level of 1.618 retracement Fibonacci level. And you can see that the wave 3 has rallied beyond that. And therefore, I'm expecting that wave 5 can be even slightly longer than usual. Usually, it is equal to wave 1. If I place this trend line here and place it here, then you can see that it is already almost equal to wave 1. But I'm expecting that it can be slightly higher. Another reason will be this cup and handle formation on this monthly time frame chart as well. And we will also take a look at this cup and handle, and this is the formation of the handle of the cup. And I would also like to discuss this Bitcoin rainbow chart in this video. You can see that after every halving, Bitcoin forms a higher than previous high and enters inside this red zone here, and here and here. And this time after halving, so far Bitcoin is not able to enter this red zone. That is not happening this time, and we will also discuss this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And by the way, if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Alpine, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like in this case, I shared this signal on 27th of May, 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this of the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart. And here you can see that on this monthly time frame chart, Bitcoin is moving inside a very massive and huge up channel. Recently, we got another bounce from the channel. By the way, this bounce was happened here in the month of October 2023. Before that, it again bounced here in the month of January 2023. This was almost another bounce. We went very close to the support, but could not hit this support here. But here we have stable touch points, and here we had another very nice bounce, and we got stable rejections by the resistance as well. And now during this rally, during this move on this monthly time frame chart, you can see that we have this Elliot wave structure here. This is the wave 1, the impulsive wave 1, the correction wave 2, the impulsive wave 3, the correction wave, and this is the wave 5. By the way, some people are finding this Elliot wave from here, but this is not valid, because if we consider this wave 1, then you can see that wave 3 is even smaller than wave 1. You can see that the wave 1 is higher. This is the measurement of wave 1. This is wave 1, 2, and 3. That is smaller, and it should be longest wave in Elliot wave structure. And right now you can see that if we consider this impulsive wave here, then you can see that wave 2 is not retraced more than 100% of this wave 1. Then we had another very nice impulsive and longest rally here. that is even rallied more than 1.618 Fibonacci extension of wave 1. And then we have this correction move of wave 4, this correction wave, and then now we have another impulsive wave. But still, there is a probability that the wave 5 will be bigger than we are watching right now. It can be bigger one, it can be longer one, because the wave 3 is also longer than it is expected. That is more than 1.618 of the Fibonacci of wave 1. And in that situation, we can have this structure like this is the wave 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. But it should be smaller than wave 3. At the same time, you can see that we have this very, very huge cup and handle formation on this monthly time frame chart. And right now you can see that after the formation of this very, very huge and massive cup, the price line is forming the handle of the cup. And if it will be retraced, because it can be retraced somewhere between 0.382 to 50 Fibonacci retracement level, that should not be more than 50% of the body of the cup. And if I place this Fibonacci level here, then you can see that it is about to hit the 0.382 level. And if it will be retraced up to 50, then it will be very close to hit the support of the channel. And there is also another very, very nice support at $48,000. Let me place it at $48,000 here somewhere. This is the $48,000. And here you can see that this $48,000, let me remove this. Then you can see that this $48,000 level has been previously working as a very, very strong resistance here. And now this time it can work as a very, very strong support. So it is possible that before moving to the upside, and we may see another move to the upside for the formation of a longer wave 5, we may see some drop up to this level of $48,000. For the formation of the handle of the cup, and once the price line will be able to break it out, then we can expect the next rally to the upside. By the way, the technical target for this cup and handle, let me place a trend line here. This can be the resistance of this cup and handle, and in case of breaking out the resistance of this cup and handle, once it will be, first we will need to break out the handle, then we will need to break out this resistance of the cup, then we can expect a very, very massive move. The technical target is, by the way, here at that is $310,000. But in my opinion, it will be difficult for the price end to hit that level, because this is the wave 5 and this can be shorter than or smaller than wave 3. Therefore, we can expect a massive rally from here, but it will be difficult for the price end to reach that level, because in that situation, wave 5 can be longer than wave 3. Therefore, it is possible that we may see some further drop to test this support of $48,000, or it is also possible that the price end may test this support of the channel and it may be retraced up to 50% of the body of the cup. However, eventually it can break out the handle, and it can also break out this resistance of the cup, and then we may see slightly longer wave 5, and then we may see some correction, the ABC correction after the completion of the wave 5. However, I'm still expecting that this is not the end of wave 5. If we take a look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart, then here you can see that it is more convincing us that the price can even go more up from here. You can see that every time after halving, it hits the red zone. Here it happened here as well. Back in 2012, after the halving, it reached this red zone here. Here it reached at the upper bands of this red zone. And after this halving, back in 2016, you can see that we had a nice rally, reached the red zone here. It was happening here after the halving of 2020. And now, still, it is very low, and there is a probability that we may see those levels and it may hit those red zones. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.